Mathematics Online Learning, 29 April 2020. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Pay attention the explanation carefully. Number 1. The following pie chart shows data on the work of parents in class 5 of MI Maju Jaya. If the parents are 180 people, how many parents do they work as laborers? Laborer, same with buruh. Now, we can see in the pie chart using percentage. So, the way percentage of laborers same with 100%. 100% from a circle. 100%. Subtract by all the percentage in the pie chart. So, 40% add by 20%, add by 10%, add by 20%. Now, 100% subtract by the total is 90%. So, 100% subtract by 90% is 10%. So, the percentage of laborers is 10%. Now, we can count the parents as laborers. The way laborers same with percentage of laborers divided by percentage of a circle 100% times the total people. The percentage of laborers is 10% divided by 100% times the total people. Here is 180 people. So times by 180 people. So percent with percent, 180 and 100 can divided by 10, 0 lose, 10 lose. Then 10%, 10 divided by 10 is 1. So 1 times 18 same with 18 people. So the parents as laborers is 18 people. Try answer the question. The pie chart shows favorite sport in 5th grade. The total student is 120. Count the total student in each favorite sport. Number 2. Mr. Dhoni has harvest of rice from the field is 2.25 ton at 3.75 quintal, subtract 638 kilogram. While Mr. Dhoni's harvest is 3.75 ton, subtract 2.75 quintals, subtract 125 kilogram. Compare the harvest both of them. The first, there are two people, Mr. Dhoni and Mr. Tony. So we can count the first people, Mr. Dhoni. Same with 2.25 ton at 3.75 quintal. Subtract 638 kilogram. Okay, we can write order in the under 2.25 ton, 3.75 quintal, and 638 kilogram. All of change become kilogram. Ton change to kilogram. 1 ton is 1000 kilogram. Because here any point, so point moving in the right. How many steps? 1 ton, any 3 zero. So moving in the right 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. Because here there is no number, give 1 0. So the result 2,250 kilogram. 3.75 quintal. Quintal same with 100 kilogram. So 3.75 times 100, or using point moving in the right 2 step. 1, 2. Because full with the number, so there is no zero. The result is 375. Now 638 kilogram change to kilogram, same. 638. Now we can look at the first addition, the last is subtract. So from the 2 steps using addition, the last using subtract. Okay, 0 add by 5, subtract by 8, because cannot borrow here 1, become 10, less, become 4. 10 add by 5, 15, subtract by 8, 7. 4 add by 7, 11, subtract by 3, 8. 2 add by 3 is 5, subtract by 6, cannot, so borrow in the front of, become 12, become 1. 12 add by 3 is 15, subtract by 6 is 9. And then the last one is the left. So the result is 1,987 kilogram. Now the second people is Mr. Tony. Mr. Tony same with 3.75 ton, subtract 2.75 quintal, subtract 125 kilogram. The way same with the Mr. Tony, we can write in the below 3.75 ton, 2.75 quintal, and 125 kilogram. Change to kilogram all. Ton become kilogram, 1,000 So moving in the right 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. So the result 3,750 kilogram. 2.75 quintal. I'm sorry, here quintal. 2.75 quintal. Quintal 100 kilogram. So point moving in the right 2 step. 1, 2. So the result 275 kilogram. Then the last, because kilogram jeng to kilogram still 125. Okay, now look at here the sign, the thing minus or subtract. Here using subtract. Subtract and then subtract. 0 subtract 5 cannot, must borrow here. Become 10 less 4. 10 subtract by 5 is 5. 5 subtract by 5, 0. 4 subtract by 7 cannot borrow can here. Become 14. Now 7 less 6. So 14 subtract by 7 is 7. 7 subtract by 2 is 5. 6 subtract by 2 is 4. 4 subtract by 1 is 3. Okay, the last number 3. There is no number again, so we can write here 3. So the result 3,350 kilogram. Now, because here any question compare, so the conclusion is we can if compare who is the more harvest. The more harvest is Mr. Tony. So Mr. Tony harvest is more than Mr. Tony harvest. Let's answer the question 2. Mr. Patron is a seller. In the warehouse, he has 2.3 tons of rice, 2.5 kilogram of sugar, and 295 kilogram of flour. While Mr. Yono has 1.52 tons of rice, 7.6 quintal of sugar, and 570 kilogram of flour. Prove the things of Mr. Yono is more than Mr. Badrun. Number 3. Compare the face area of the shape below. Shape A is a cube with side 18 cm. And then shape B is a cuboid with length 20 cm, width 12 cm, and height 14 cm. Now we can converse shape A, cuboid. The formula is 6 times side times side. So 6 times the length of the side 18 cm times 18 cm. We can count 6 times 18 or 18 times 18. So, times all, the result is 1944 centimeter square. Now, for shape B, the way the first length times width. The next width times height. The next height times length. The length is